Is the Mono's hybrid carry-on the ultimate fusion of durability and design, or just another pricey suitcase? With its sleek aluminum-magnesium frame and polycarbonate shell, this premium travel companion is making waves among frequent flyers and minimalist travelers. But is it actually worth the splurge? Stick around. We put this carry-on to the test across airports, hotels, and overhead bins to see if it lives up to the hype. Introducing the Mono's Hybrid Carry-On, a luxury-grade suitcase that blends a lightweight polycarbonate body with aluminum corner reinforcements, a hybrid design aimed at frequent travelers who value style, strength, and smooth mobility. Released in 2023 by Monos, a Canadian brand known for its minimalist yet functional luggage, the hybrid carry-on is targeted at business professionals, design-conscious travelers, and anyone tired of replacing cheap luggage every year. What sets this apart is its dual material build, which aims to offer the best of both worlds: durability without the full weight of traditional aluminum luggage. Moving on to performance, in real-world travel scenarios, the Mono's hybrid carry-on performs exceptionally well. During a 5-day trip across 3 U.S. airports, it handled bumpy sidewalks, busy terminals, and full overhead compartments without scuffing or warping. Its 360-degree spinner wheels glide effortlessly even on rough surfaces, and its telescopic handle feels sturdy with no wobble, a rarity even among premium luggage. Stress testing included lifting it in and out of overhead bins 10+ times, dragging it over uneven pavement, and a drop test from waist height. The aluminum corners absorbed impact brilliantly, and the polycarbonate body showed minimal wear, just some minor surface scratches. Surprising positives? The internal compression system worked like a charm, and despite its sleek profile, the hybrid fit more than expected. On the downside, the aluminum corners can get cold to the touch in winter, just something to note if you're traveling from colder U.S. cities like Chicago or Boston. Now, let's dive into some of the features and tech. The Mono's hybrid carry-on is packed with smart design features that enhance usability. Dual TSA-approved locks. Instead of zippers, the suitcase closes with 2 metal latches, offering added security and a seamless silhouette. This zipperless design is great for avoiding jammed zippers during high-pressure travel. Aerospace-grade polycarbonate shell plus aluminum corners. This hybrid construction keeps weight down while reinforcing the suitcase's most vulnerable points. Ideal for frequent flyers or anyone rough on gear. Antimicrobial laundry bag and compression straps. Inside, you'll find an antibacterial laundry bag, compression panels, and zippered compartments that make packing intuitive and clean. Compared to full aluminum carry-ons like the Away Aluminum Edition, the Mono's hybrid is lighter, quieter, and less prone to major dents, while still offering reinforced protection. Visually, the Mono's hybrid carry-on is a modern travel masterpiece. It comes in several refined matte finishes like storm gray and obsidian black, with subtle metallic accents. The flush latches, aluminum bumpers, and no external zippers give it a high-end, futuristic aesthetic that turns heads. Materials feel premium to the touch. The polycarbonate shell is lightweight but sturdy, and the aluminum corners provide structure without making the suitcase feel too industrial. At 22 by 14 by 9 inches, it meets most U.S. airline carry-on requirements, fitting easily in overhead bins of domestic carriers like Delta, United, and Southwest. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: premium hybrid build, aluminum plus polycarbonate. Sleek zipper-free TSA lock system. Ultra-smooth spinner wheels. Stylish and minimalist design. Cons: pricey compared to other carry-ons. Aluminum corners show fingerprints easily. No USB charging port option. Now, let's talk about price and value. Retailing around $325 to $355 USD, the Mono's hybrid carry-on is a premium investment. Compared to competitors like the Away Aluminum Carry-On, $625, or Rimowa Essential Cabin, $725 or more, Monos offers similar durability and style at a more accessible price point. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty, free returns within 100 days, and US-based customer service, which adds value for risk-averse buyers. If you're someone who flies multiple times a year and hates dealing with flimsy zippers or scratched-up shells, this could save you money in the long run. So, is the Mono's hybrid carry-on worth it? For travelers who prioritize durability, style, and innovation, absolutely. It delivers a premium travel experience with thoughtful features like zipper-free TSA locks, reinforced aluminum corners, and an impressively sleek design. It may not be for the ultra-budget conscious, but it certainly punches above its price point compared to luxury brands like Rimowa or Away's aluminum line.